Abahinji hamwe n'abashobozi ba business enche hamwe n'eziringanire ababangurwa bamwe hari 2050 bari mu myanya iri kuza korabwamo umusheke uguru kuza kuba no gutwara amajuta gatajejine kurugaho yuma okuzatanga muri Tanzania.
Omugaso gwo musomo guno gwakulaba nti abantu bategeera ebyetaagisa okuba nti basobola okutuuka kw'ogwo omutindo ate era wabamala training eno tulina okufuba okulaba nga abantu abateesereza mu training eno basobola okubagoberera ne balaba nti ebintu bye bagambe nti bagenda kukola mu training babituukiriza balina obwetaavu obulala obusinga training obuliwo.
Ab'ekitongole ky'okureberera ebyokutimba amajuta mu ihanga kya Petroleum Authority of Uganda bakwatanise hamwe na Stanbic Bank Incubator batori n'abashobozi hamwe n'ebitongole bice hamwe n'ebiringaniro mu district ya Kikuube hamwe na Hoyuma nakwe kubabangura okumara isabiti ibiri.
Whatever training that has happened here, they have to build on it to make sure that people are not just trained, they are even capacitated to actually realize the things that have been taught in their businesses, and they are then able to create those linkages to the oil and gas sector. They are able to be enrolled on the national supplier database.
You need to document the cash inflows, documenting the cash outflows, then balancing.
Yusufu Masaba omugambirizi wa Petroleum Authority of Uganda yagira ngo eki bakaba bino kuba bakikozire emyaka ehingwireho bitu bakatunga mu kuteganisibwa oburwire bwa COVID-19.
Kuba abantu badde tebamanyi engeri gye bakwata mu bizinesi zaabwe, tebamanyi engeri gye bawandika mu tenda, tebamanyi engeri gye basaba mu contract, ebyo byonna babisomeseza. Kati abantu budde bwebo kuba n'omudumu tetunatandika okuzimba, kale ndowooza obudde bwebo bagenda kufunamu. Teddy Nyamizi omumbashubuzi yagira ngo batwire batakaganyirwa mu mirimo yo kutimba amajuta abo butetegereze bibine kukora.
Twasoma emigisa eri mu oil and gas opportunities eziroho na muno mu supplying y'ebintu. Twasoma record keeping na muno tukwatula mu business yaitu tulina kuba tulinda ebihandiiko kandi twasoma tuta mulingo tukusaba registeringa business zaitu okurugira kimu wa mutendero gwokubanza mbago okusembayo ogwa PAU.
Even yesterday the Prime Minister of Nyoro Kingdom pledged to offer all the support that we shall need as far as making the investment club function is concerned.
District ziri kuza kurabwamo umusheke guri kuza kuba no gutwara amajuta gatajejine okorwa mu ruho imazuru mu Kikuube, Kakumiro, Chankwanzi, Mubende, Gomba, Sembabure, Rwengo, Chotera na Rakai. Gashakwa n'wagaba Ambrose Katoto.